Happy Radhashtami, beloved friends. Today is such a special day. It's a day when Goddess Radhika or Radharani, when she actually incarnated, she appeared in this lotus flower, and she's considered the female version of the manifestation of the Supreme, the Hladini Shakti or the pleasure potency, where she has completely surrendered herself to Ishvara and the most amazing transcendental form. She is so amazing because this day she was born, and we ask for Krishna Bhakti or devotion. There is no half surrender in life. When we surrender completely, life becomes magical. So the day when she appeared on a lotus flower, Rishabhanu and they found her and she was taken, and the legend goes that her eyes were closed and both her eyes did not open until she actually saw her beloved Krishna. And when she met Krishna, life became magical, because together the Ras Leela is celebrated with all the gopis and the gopikas. They are thousands, each of us in the Vaishnava tradition. That is all we dream of. Our ultimate dream is to be one with the divine, to be one with Lord Krishna and Radha in their eternal pastimes. So what happens is the Ras Leela, or the beautiful dance between the Jivatma and the Paramatma. So the Jivatma is the individual soul and the Paramatma is the supreme soul, and it's a dance between the two. That is, each of them want to manifest and become one with the other. That is all that I crave for, that is all that each of us, we are longing to merge with the divine, to become one with the Supreme. This is the ultimate bliss of each of our souls. So this eternal dance between the Jivatma, which is in the manifestation of the Gopi, and the Paramatma is the form of Lord Krishna, and Radharani is the chief of all of them, and it is only through her that she waters the bhakti. For me, Vrindavan is an eternal space beyond time. There is no time and space in this love for the divine. And in Barsana today, there is great celebration, as the birth of Radharani, which is where she is from, is celebrated. She is decorated with flowers. People are fasting, they don't eat the whole day. I have not even had time to drink water because it's such a special day where magical things have happened. So after all the celebrations, a feast is served in her honor, and everyone celebrates the day when the goddess Radhika Rani came. She is also considered Mahalakshmi, who is again one of the most supreme female manifestations of the divine. So we have 1,000 reasons to celebrate today, and really you can hear the fireworks around me. So it's also the 5th day of the Ganesh Chaturthi here in Goa. There's a lot of pomp and joy and celebration as people take the idol of their beloved Lord Ganesha. And Lord Ganesha is the remover of obstacles. Every obstacle in the spiritual path, whatever we have, even in this material life, he is the one who removes it. And it's only through fulfillment of all your dharmic desires that you attain the Lord finally. So it's a special day of both Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, as well as Srimati Radhika Rani or Radha Rani, who is actually taking us to merge with the divine. So let us all celebrate this moment. Here in Goa, they have even a little tiny bag with food for him. That is, you have a bag with cashew nuts and modaks and every little thing. Even if Lord Ganesha feels hungry on the way, when he's immersed in the ocean or the river, that's how much they love him. And it's with sadness they let go of him until they bring him in the next day. So it's double the celebration today, the birth of Radhika Rani or Radha Rani, as well as my Lord Ganesha is being immersed today. So I pray and bless, may all your dharmic desires, everything come true. May you be blessed every step of the way with the auspiciousness of Lord Ganesha and with the beautiful feminine sacred energy of Srimati Radha as you become one with Lord Krishna or the Supreme Soul. Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care. Radhe Radhe is the greeting in Vrindavan and Barsana. There's no good morning, good evening, thank you, please. All you hear is Radha, Radha, Radhe Radhe. So this day of the Shukla Paksha, that is the 8th day, where you can see how beautiful the moon looks in the Bhadra month, is most sacred for me as I celebrate Radha's coming into the world. So let's all celebrate in song and dance and bliss today, because that is their favorite pastime. And I invite you to evoke them and dance and sing with joy. Thank you so much.